bonjour. We are back with our revision session of Lesson 3 Re Bonjour. We will begin this fourth session of your revision with the lesson Re Bonjour. Okay? We are having Re Bonjour. Alright. In this lesson, Sarah and Paul are talking that Paul is saying, "Hi, hey Sarah, I have heard it get dark every early in the winters." Sarah replies, "Hey Paul, in France, it get dark in winter at 4:30 p.m. That is early in the evening. But in summer, it's daylight till 9 p.m. 9 p.m. usually you get dark in summers, but in France, it looks like it is a daytime. Now, re bonjour. Why they talk Sarah and Paul every now and then with a new chapter, they give a hint to the chapter. We have in textbook re bonjour. We learn the daytime. Okay. Apprenons les salutations. Apprenons les salutations du jour en français. Let us learn the greetings of the day in French. Matin. Matin means morning. You can see the clock and it is 7 o'clock. We wish bonjour. Après-midi, afternoon. You can see the clock. It is 3 in the afternoon and we wish bonjour or bon après-midi. Soir. That is evening time. You can see the clock and we wish bonsoir. And night time you recognize easily nuit and we say bonne nuit. Now to ask the question comment ça va means how are you. Comment ça va is usually asked to friends or brothers or sisters or cousin who are of your same age. This is informal question. How are you? And formal is comment allez-vous? And we have the answers. Answers are in common for all. Whether you ask comment ça va or comment allez-vous. But here we have some answers explained in the format of this red or orange, dark orange smileys. First one is ça va super bien, ça va très bien. Means I'm great, I'm really feeling really good. Ça va bien, I'm okay. Comme si comme ça means so in health, okay. Not so good, not so bad. Ça va mal or ça va pas means I am not well. Ça va très mal. I am really very sick. We have then two conversation. One is formal and one is informal. Formal one says, bonjour madame, comment allez-vous? Bonjour monsieur, comment allez-vous? Bonjour madame, je vais bien, merci. When two people meet officially or if you meet your elders or strangers, you say to them, bonjour madame or monsieur, comment allez-vous? Means how are you? The person has replied, je vais bien, merci. I'm going to be fine, thank you. Now, if you are of same age, here in the second picture, and if you are friends, then you say salut. Salut Sophie, comment ça va? Salut Gabriel. Salut Georges. Ça va bien? Merci. I'm fine, thank you. Now, we have a small poem in French for bonjour on page number 32 of your textbook. Le petit pouce dit bonjour à son papa, bonjour à sa maman, bonjour à son grand frère, bonjour au petit bébé, which means a little thumb is asking or saying hello or good morning to The father, good morning to the mother, good morning to the big brother, and good morning to little baby. We have vocabulary in French and English. Le vocabulaire français, anglais. Bonjour, good morning, good afternoon or hello. Bonsoir, good evening, bonne nuit, good night. Ça va super bien, ça va très bien means I'm great. Ça va bien, I'm fine. Comme si, comme ça, so so. Ça va mal, ça va pas, I'm not fine. Ça va très mal, I'm very upset. Comment ça va? How are you? Salut. Hi. Comment allez-vous? How are you? This comment ça va is informal. This is formal. Comment allez-vous? Now we have some exercises to this lesson. Les exercises. The exercises. First one is dialogue. This dialogue is important. Complétez la conversation. Complete the conversation. And dash, como, dash. When we meet someone, we say bonjour or salut. Here two friends are meeting, so salut. Como ça va? Then Brigitte answers, ça va, dash, et toi? Ça va, you can write any. I'm fine, I'm great. Ça va, super bien, or ça va très bien. Et toi, and you? And replies, ça va bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Au revoir. In return reply, she says, that is Brigitte answers, au revoir. So these are the 5 blanks. Salut, ça va, très bien, ça va bien, and au revoir. You have to see the dialogue and understand whether two friends are talking or two elder peoples are talking or a child is talking to the elder. Now we have to identify this. Identify the date, the parts of the day. First one is matin, it is given. Second one, the sun is shining bright. It means it is afternoon, après-midi. The sun is setting, it becomes orange. Soir and night time, nuit. Then we have retrouver les mots. Rearrange the letters. The words are jumbled up. You have to unjumble. Journob means bonjour. T-O with circumflex, T-N-I-E-B space and A. We can immediately recognize it is a bientôt. Then C, madame. D is salut. E is again two words. Two words comes in. ERIOVR space UA or var. Then the last one is RIOSBO. Sorry, NOB. Bonsoir. Okay. Now we have to match the pictures and the greetings. Réalisez les images avec les bonnes salutations. Match the images with the correct greetings. First one is a girl is gifting her friend. We say merci. It is given here. Yes, C. First picture goes with C. Second one, a girl is sitting in the garden and the boy is wishing bonsoir. It is there in the picture and the answer is B. Then third one, both are wishing each other goodbye and it is au revoir. The last word au revoir matches with 3. And this one, when they are meeting, then also we say like this, which means salut, hi or hello. Then we have few more things. The last exercise number 5 in the textbook. Tick the correct answer. Cochez les bonnes réponses. Tick the right answers. Good evening. What do we say in French? Bonjour, bonsoir or bonne nuit. we say bonsoir. We tick mark in the box of bonsoir. Second one, see you tomorrow. À demain. Is it given in the three choices? À bientôt, au revoir, à demain. Yes, the third one. Tick mark there. Hi. Hi means salut, au revoir, or merci. It means salut. Tick mark in the first box. I'm fine. Ça va mal, ça va bien, comme ci, comme ça. Ça va bien means I'm fine. Ça va mal, I'm not fine. Comme ci, comme ça, so. So, I'm fine is ça va bien. Okay? These were your textbook exercises of lesson 3. Now we have workbook exercises of lesson 3. And here it is on the page number 17 of your workbook on Shante book number 0. Again, comment ça va? Réalisez les visages avec les réponses. Les visages or les images, both are same. Okay? How are you? Match the faces with the replies. Okay? Les visages usually says the faces and les images tells the images. But when it is coming as match the following, we are having réaliser les images or réaliser les visages, which means this picture to be matched with the answer. Now we can see the smiley and match it. First one is very happy. Ça va super bien. So we match it with A with number 4 by scale and pencil. Then we have second one smiling very brightly and it says ça va bien. So B will go with 3. Then C, comme ci, comme ça, 4. Ça va mal, ça va pas. Okay, D is going with 5, C is going with 2. So ultimately E is left with ça va très mal, first one. This is how you have matched it. Now, the other exercises. Quelle salutation utilisez-vous? Which greetings should you use? Sun is shining brightly and so shows 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it is bon après-midi. We write that in the box. Now this is getting up early in the morning, 7 o'clock. Bonjour. And this is showing a little bit of night time, but it is 6 o'clock in the evening. Sometimes it looks like 11:30, but it is 6 o'clock in the evening. Bonsoir. Okay. Remplissez les blancs. Fill in the blanks. Some words are given, some are in blanks. So you have to fill up this exercise by putting those words. A, B, dash, dash, J, dash, dash, dash. Bonjour. Second one, dash O dash S dash R. So, bonsoir. C, dash A space dash A. It comes in ça va. C with half 5 and V regular. D, M dash dash C dash. Merci. Then dash dash R dash S, a hyphen in between, dash I. Après-midi. Now you have question answers in this lesson. Question 4. Répondez aux questions en français. Answer the following questions in French. Question are in English. Answer in French. We have the words matin, après-midi, soir and nuit. Above the picture of boy who is drinking water. What time of the day do you get ready for the school? In this, we have written a sentence. Je vais à l'école le matin. I go to school in the morning. But for your exam purpose, if you write only two words, le matin, it would be okay. What time of the day do you go out and play? Je joue le soir. I go to play at the evening. Even if you write le soir, it is correct. What time of the day do you eat dinner? We usually eat at night. Je mange le dîner la nuit. If you write la nuit, then also it is correct. What time of the day do you return from the school? Usually you return from the afternoon. So, je retourne l'après-midi. What time of the day do your parents return from the office? Evening. Le soir. Okay? Remplissez les blancs. Fill in the blanks. Half words are given, half you have to put it and complete it. For example, A. O dash. River. B. Como dash. You have two choices. Como ça va? Como allez-vous? You can write any. A dash. A bientôt. Or a demain. Any. D. Bon dash. It also has two choices. Bonne nuit, bonne chance. E. Ça va dash. You can have so many multiple choices. Ça va super bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Any. So, we are writing these exercises. Now, we have the last two exercises. That is, find out the greetings in the grill box and correct the spelling by putting the correct accent and right spelling. We have you have to find out four parts of the day and three salutations, or that is three different greetings in the day. What are the four parts of the day? Bonjour, bon après-midi, then bonsoir and bonne nuit, which you have to find out here, and three greetings. It may be any, then it may be of au revoir, or then it may be of yes, soir, then bonjour, these all. Okay. So if I say parts of the day, it means soir, jour, that is matin, nuit, and après-midi, and wishes should be in bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, any. Okay. Here are the exercises. Finishing question 7. I'll make you understand in the next lecture. Till then, au revoir, and we will be also beginning with the lesson 4 revision. Au revoir.